Animals for food and routing. In the past and even today, animals are used by the human beings to perform the various tasks. These animals are known as working animals, and such domestic animals are also known as beasts of burden. Now, nowadays, if you look at our daily routine life, then horses and donkeys are used to pull the cart. They are used for transport purposes. Now, the strength of horses are here used to pull up the cart. In various countries of South Asian continent, still elephants are used to pull up the cart. Similarly, rabbits and sheep are used as a meat in the meat form as well as for wool purposes. Now, animals can also used for recreation. For example, in dolphin shows, dolphin का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है जिससे human beings बहुत ज़्यादा कमा लेते हैं. दूसरी तरफ dolphins की सेहत का भी ख्याल रखते हैं. So, we have to perform light hardness work by these draft animals. जैसे कि इस्लाम में कहा गया है कि जानवरों पे कम बोझ ला दो. In Pakistan, animals are an important part of the agriculture. Without these working animals, these draft animals, agriculture is not possible. जैसे कि गाय का इस्तेमाल खेती बाड़ी के लिए किया जाता है और हमारे यहाँ जायदाद की तकसीम का निज़ाम बहुत आम है, जिसकी वजह से खेती बाड़ी का एरिया बहुत कम होता है और एनिमल्स का इस्तेमाल आराम से किया जा सकता है. दूसरी तरफ पाकिस्तान में गुर्बत ज़्यादा होने की वजह से जानवरों का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है और लोग ट्रैक्टर और दूसरी खेती बाड़ी की मशीनरियाँ अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. अगर हम मीट ईटर्स हैं तो और 70 साल जिंदा रहे हैं तो याद रहे कि आपने 30 गोट्स, तकरीबन 600 मुर्गियाँ और 3 गाय खा चुके हैं. एंड ऑल दीज फूड assumptions कैन लीड टू obesity, प्रॉब्लम ऑफ हार्ट डिजीजेस एंड अदर प्रॉब्लम्स दैट may be fatal. So, the use of meat or of animal food should be in limited amount. Now, the ethical issues arises even regarding the slaughtering of the animals. For example, Muslims, if we look up about the religion Islam, then Muslims slaughter the animal by cutting the neck without stunning. The same in Jewish. But in UK, even in USA, animals are slaughtered by the electric shock given at their feet. So this is something very cruel. And if you look at the industries where meat is cutted down, then in that case, the legs of the chicken are pulled up and the head is dipped into the water in order to conduct electricity, which is then passed into the machinery. So this is all something very cruel.